Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete multiple slides at once on your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is go underneath one of the slides you want to remove and then tap the Control key and start clicking on the other slides you want to delete as well, and then either tap the delete key on your keyboard or right click and select delete slide, and it should remove all of those slides, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.